Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coin through Trust Wallet. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, create a new wallet and carefully write down your 12-word recovery phrase. Keep this phrase extremely secure, as it is the only way to restore your wallet if you lose access. Finally, you'll need to fund your wallet with a base cryptocurrency like BNB or Ethereum to cover transaction fees and initial purchases. Next, open the D-App browser located at the bottom of your Trust Wallet screen. This browser allows you to interact with various decentralized applications. Search for a popular decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap for Binance Smart Chain tokens or Uniswap for Ethereum-based tokens. Once you find your desired exchange, tap to connect your Trust Wallet, granting it permission to interact with the platform securely. Now, within the decentralized exchange, you'll select the cryptocurrency you currently hold, like BNB or Ethereum, and the new coin you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to exchange, keeping in mind any minimums or maximums. Review all the transaction details, including the gas fees, which are typically a small percentage of the transaction. Finally, confirm and approve the swap to complete your purchase. After a brief processing period, your newly purchased coin will appear directly in your Trust Wallet. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to add it as a custom token using its contract address. This ensures all your assets are visible and accessible. Remember to always double-check transaction details before confirming. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.